Hi. Guess what we're making today? Some awesome garlic bread. They call it Korean garlic bread, but I don't know why, but I just call it delicious because it is. You're gonna take a bun, like I like using the Kaiser rolls, and you're gonna cut this like in little triangle wedges. I like doing like...
Not all the way through?
Nope, so you don't cut it through. And I'm gonna do it different than how I saw people do it. I watched a few people make it online, but they would like dunk this then, but I'm gonna use a spoon. And what I have here is a custard. It's a half a stick of melted butter and egg, and the garlic I grate in there, and a little bit of salt, of course. So I'm gonna spoon this. I'm gonna open the bun up like this, and I'm gonna get this in there. And these would be great for camping. You could wrap them in tin foil and, you know, put them by your fire for all you people that can't wait to go camping. That season hopefully is coming up. Oh, it's been so cold. But you do that like that. And then you have a cream cheese mixture, which this recipe I cut in half because I'm only doing 2 buns, but you have cream cheese at room temperature, a little splash of milk, and a little bit of sugar, which does something to this. It just makes it really good. And of course, salt. So you're gonna put this in a bag and you're gonna squeeze your cream cheese in between each one of these. And then when you get done, you're gonna literally take this and you're gonna dunk it right in your custard mixture. Now remember, when you do the custard, you have everything in the bowl except the butter, and you have an egg in there, so real slowly add it or it'll cook the egg, right? So there, you're gonna do that. Let me wipe my hands off here. And then you're gonna grate a little cheese over the top. Now, in your custard, you also have a 1/4 cup of either parmesan or Romano. And let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. Does that look good or what? And to be honest with you, I've never tasted these before, so I'm pretty excited. Oh my God, look at it. It's so good. I can see on the videos why they say it's addictive. You should give it a try. It's amazing. Keep smiling.